Through his music, he has introduced millions of listeners to Jamaican culture, language, and traditions. His ability to bridge cultural gaps and foster understanding through music is a testament to his status as a global icon. One of the hallmarks of a true king is longevity, and Sean Paul has demonstrated remarkable staying power. Over 2 decades after his debut, he continues to release chart-topping hits and perform at sold-out venues worldwide. Unlike many artists who fade after a few years of success, Sean Paul has consistently evolved his sound, proving his versatility and relevance. His ability to remain at the forefront of dancehall and global music speaks to his dedication, talent, and understanding of the industry. The debate over the King of Dancehall title will likely continue for years to come, as fans weigh cultural impact against global success. While Beenie Man and Vybz Kartel are undeniable icons of the genre, Sean Paul's unmatched achievements on the international stage make a strong case for his inclusion in the conversation. Perhaps the true beauty of dancehall lies in its diversity, allowing for multiple kings who have each contributed uniquely to its legacy.